Na mbere ya Kenya mahonie ironda cia ngoro na meciria ciikuo iria cikoretwo ikihanika mitino-ini ya barabara na makiria mwena wa Salgaa, umuthi riboti ingi ya kieha ikiyumiria andu makiria ya mirongo 35 magikwa mutino-ini wa barabara uria uhanikire mathaa ma rucii-ini mwena wa Migaa, kilomita nini tu kuma Salgaa. Mitino eno to ya kirigatu indi ni ya kumakania kuona ati no irathie na mbere kuhanika na orita igakua mioyo ya aingi ona makinya ma kumenina makioyagwo. Kuringana na ruhonge rwa borithi gicigo-ini kia Rift Valley, mutino uyu uhanikire riria mbathi iria gukuite athii kuma Busia imerekeirie Nairobi iguthanire kiongo gwa kiongo na kirori kiria gikwerekeire Eldoret kuma Nakuru.
It would appear it is the bus that came and knocked the lorry, because you can see the lorry is still standing, and it is standing in its position, and it is standing at the right place where it was supposed to be as it was moving up. So it must have been the bus that came over. Either the brakes failed, we don't know. Those are theories. We are panding around, we were not there.
Aria magurarire maguthukirio thibitari ya Nakuru level 5 na thibitari ya Molo.
You never know what happens at night. And this accident occurred around 3 a.m.
Haha niho mbathi eno ikuagira na niho rugendo rwayo rwa muthia rurambiriirie na athii ayo. Ni uhoro wa kieha kuona ati aingi a athii aya maya gukorwo mauma mihang'o-ini ya kunyitanira na endwa ao na arata niguo gukungwira kuinikirira kwa mwaka wa 2017 na gukungwira mwaka mweru. Meririria maria marengirwo ni gikuo.
It is with the great shock and grief that we received the information about one of our buses on its way to Nairobi, and we've not come to the acceptance of the accidents.
Orege President Uhuru Kenyatta ni atumite ndumiriri ya mashakaya kuri family cia aria makuireirwo na akiendekithia kuhona kwa naihenya kwa aria mari thibitari magurarite guku agithie na mbere kuria matereba matwarithie ngari wega. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.